In this question, since the degree of numerator and degree of numerator is less than degree of denominator, so it is a proper rational function. So we can use the partial fraction method to integrate this term. And so by using the partial fraction method, I decompose the this rational function to 3. I can decompose this rational function to 3 another proper rational function. Let's say a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 2 plus c by x minus 3. So now it is easy to integrate the right hand side, since the we can integrate the 3 terms separately. So just we need to change our expression to this expression. So let's start. Here in the right hand side it will be x minus 1, x minus 2 and x minus 3. A x minus 2, x minus 3 plus b x minus 1, x minus 3 and plus c x minus 1, x minus 2. Now the denominator of both the sides vanishes, so we will get 3x minus 1 equals to, if I solve this expression, I'll get a plus b plus c x square, plus from here I will get minus 3x plus 2x, which is minus 5x. So minus 5ax, so I can write minus 5a plus from here I will get minus 3x and minus x, so minus 4b, and from here x minus 2x minus x, which is minus 3x. So from here minus 3c x plus the constant terms will be 6a plus 3b plus 2c. So if I compare the coefficients of x square, x and the constant terms, I'll get 3 0 equals to a plus b plus c, and minus 5 minus 4 minus 5a minus 4b minus 3c equals to 3, and 6a plus 3b equal to 2. 6a plus 3b plus 2c equals to minus of 1. So from here I can find the value of c in terms of a plus b, in terms of a and b, which is c equals to minus of a plus b. I can put here, so the both the equation 1 and equation 2 will have only 2 variables, a and b. So put the value of c in the equation 1 and equation 2, I will get minus 5a minus 4b minus 3. So minus 1 plus a plus b equals to 3, and here if I put the value of c, I will get 3a plus 6a plus 3b plus 2 minus of, so it will be minus of plus 3b minus of 2a minus 2b equals to minus 1. So if I solve this equation, I'll get here it is minus 2a minus of b equals to 3, and from here I'll get 4a plus b equals to minus 1. So we have minus of 2a minus b equals to 3 and 4a plus b equals to minus 1. So from both the equation I can get the value of a, which is 2a equals to 2, or I can say a equals to 1. So if I put a equals to 1 in this equation, I will get minus of 2 minus b equals to 3, or I can say b equals to minus 5. If I put the value of a and b in the from here, if I put the value of c here, I will get c equals to 4. So our expression is changed in I equals to integration 1 by, it is x minus 1. So x minus 1 dx plus value of b is minus 5, so minus 5 divided by x minus 2 dx plus, and since value c is 4, so it will be 4 by x minus 3 dx. So I can find out the value easily of this integration, which is log x minus 1, from it will be minus 5 log x minus 2, and this integration will be 4 log x minus 3, and the integration constant c is there. So this will be our answer.